Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel, you have to subscribe to today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we'll see how to fix if you can't change system brightness in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So currently I am on a Windows 11 system and we can easily change the system brightness using this flyout menu, which we can open using the action center or control panel or the control center on the taskbar. And here we can easily slide the brightness to more or higher level and the system responds accordingly. But if your system brightness is not changing when you change the slider on this window, then this video guide is for you. We will start with the solution number 1. In this case, right click on the start button and select settings. When the settings app opens, go to system, then troubleshoot, then click other troubleshooters. In the list of other troubleshooters, you will find power troubleshooter. Just click on the run button next to it. Then it will start the troubleshooter and it will detect some issues and fix them. Hopefully the system brightness issue should also be fixed by this troubleshooter. In case if the issue still persists, you can continue your troubleshooting with solution number 2. In this case, right click on the start button and select device manager. In the device manager window, expand display adapters. Right click on your primary display adapter and select update drivers. Here you can select search automatically for drivers. In case if you get the best drivers for your device is already installed, you can use here search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and here you can install the latest updates available to you, and the display issue of system brightness should be fixed. Next we have solution number 3 in case if issue still persists. In this case, we will again open device manager and try to install the legacy hardware for display adapter. So first right click on the primary display adapter installed on the system and select update driver. Then select browse my computer for drivers. Then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Make sure show compatible hardware is checked, and from here you can select Microsoft Basic Display Adapter and click next. In few moments you will find that the driver has been updated to Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, and this is the basic driver installed on your system. You can check if you can now change the system brightness and you will find that the issue has been resolved. That's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.